He is back to reveal another incredibly shocking secret. Now, before we find out what the secret is, watch their last appearance on the show. What's the secret? Did one time?
I've been cheating on you. What's your best?
Trina, you got a lot of guys to do.
I know. I'm so sorry, Crystal. Please, I love you.
I told you I made a mistake and I'm sorry.
Let's go, Twan. I don't want to be with you anymore.
Now, Angela, you have another secret to tell Crystal. And this is a secret you've been keeping for how long?
3 years.
What's your secret?
I've been cheating on her with her ex-friend Danielle for the past 3 years.
Here's the thing. That's not the only secret. There's another part of the secret, isn't there?
It's a possibility that her youngest son, Demarie, may be mine.
Okay, that's a Master 930.
And Danielle's taking the
I just opened the package. So I wasn't able to pick it right out of the package because I had a bit of trouble finding the right tension wrench. But I've got to tell you, I just straight picked it. I do not feel any spools in there. And the odd thing is, I opened up a 930 last night and check this, there was 0 spool pins in it. And I just straight picked that. I didn't get a false set. I didn't feel any spools. So that leads me to believe that they're discontinuing spool pins in the Master 930. I could be wrong.
But she has no idea who it's with, and wow, she has no idea about the accusation you might be the father.
I'm gonna have to take a look in there later, but
Find that out. Everybody,
yeah.
that's welcome.
At any rate,
Crystal, back to the show.
another Master 930, picked pretty much right out of the package, with no spool pins apparently. So peace. Don't forget to rate it, and don't break the law, and have fun.
2 parts of the secret.